Welcome to This Explainer. I am beyond thrilled to have you here today because we are going to completely demystify learning artificial intelligence. If you've been wanting to upskill, pivot your career, or just figure out what all this hype is actually about, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're mapping out the ultimate AI education journey, and we're going to do the whole shebang without you having to spend a single dime.
Think about this for a second. Stanford didn't just publish content. They opened their AI classroom to the world for free. I mean, wow. This represents a massive, unprecedented paradigm shift. We are living in a moment where elite, world-class education, the exact same material taught inside Ivy League labs, is now completely open source.
Honestly, MIT just killed the AI course industry, with big tech companies and top-tier universities releasing all of their premium content directly to the public. Dropping thousands of dollars on generic coding bootcamps is quickly becoming a thing of the past. It's a real game changer.
But with this massive ocean of free information out there, you might be wondering, so where do you even start? It is incredibly easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of repositories, tutorials, and certifications. Well, don't worry. We're going to transform that overwhelm into absolute empowerment by laying out a highly structured, proven path.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. Number 1, the free AI education boom. 2, foundations for complete beginners. 3, the rise of AI agents. 4, AI for project managers. And 5, advanced engineering and LLMs.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the free AI education boom. Big tech opens its doors.
We're literally watching tech giants throw their doors wide open, making their internal training accessible to absolutely everyone. Why buy a course from a random influencer when you can go straight to the source? You've got the OpenAI Academy offering official lessons directly from the creators of ChatGPT. Anthropic Academy is teaching you exactly how to get the best out of Claude. Google Cloud Skills Boost gives you hands-on generative AI learning right in their console. Microsoft has released generative AI courses built just like intensive developer bootcamps. And of course, MIT and Stanford are giving away their algorithms and neural networks courses.
The absolute golden rule here is simple. The only cost is your effort. A lot of people overcomplicate learning AI. They think it's impossibly hard. It's really not, provided you have the right starting points.
Moving right along to Section 2, Foundations for Complete Beginners, starting from zero.
If you have absolutely no technical background, seriously, do not panic. Now, what's really interesting about this is how cleanly you can choose your entry point based on your personal goals. If you want a technical contrast, Google's Introduction to Generative AI breaks down how Gen AI differs from traditional machine learning. If you're focused on business and everyday productivity, Microsoft's Career Essentials in Gen AI is perfect. And if you are truly starting from scratch, MIT's AI 101 is designed for absolute beginners.
Once you pick your starting line, you'll want to follow this exact, proven 4-step path. Step 1. Learn those fundamentals. Understand how data flows and how prompts work. Step 2. Master basic integrations. Connect something practical like Gmail and N8N to pass data back and forth. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Build your very first AI agent. Get that first wow moment when your system actually does something for you. And finally, Step 4. Go advanced.
Which brings us to Section 3, the rise of AI agents. Moving beyond chat.
We are rapidly moving beyond simple chat interfaces. But before we look at the best courses for this, we need a quick micro lesson on how modern AI systems actually function. First up is RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of this as the AI saying, "Hold on, let me look things up before answering." It retrieves relevant documents before generating a response so it actually knows what it's talking about.
And this brilliantly illustrates the next evolution. We have MCP, or Model Context Protocol, which is a standardized way to connect LLMs to external tools like GitHub and Slack. It's essentially the AI saying, here's a secure way to use tools. But then we have AI agents. These are systems that reason, plan, and execute workflows autonomously. Their mandate isn't just to answer your question, it's complete the task.
Now that you grasp those concepts, here is the absolute best curated list of free resources to master them. Microsoft just released an amazing 12-lesson course called AI Agents for Beginners. You can also explore multi-AI agent systems with Crew AI. Anthropic has a practical guide to building agents. OpenAI offers a course on identifying and scaling AI use cases, and Google has their incredibly detailed Agents Companion. Next up is Section 4, AI for project managers. Adapt or fall behind. There's a saying going around the industry right now: AI won't replace project managers, but project managers who know AI will absolutely replace those who don't. Think about the number 18 for a second. 18. That is the sheer volume of niche AI courses available right now, specifically tailored for project management and PMI standards. You can update your generative AI knowledge while actively getting your required PDUs and contract hours.
Let's do a rapid-fire run through the top certifications out there. I highly advise you start with the free options to test the waters. IBM's Generative AI for Project Managers is totally free. PMI offers a free practical application of Gen AI course that actually gets you 5 PDUs. Once you have that foundation, you can check out premium courses like Udemy's Productivity and Automation course, Novel Vista's Training, the AI-driven Project Management certification, or the official PMI Certified Professional in Managing AI.
And finally, Section 5, Advanced Engineering and LLMs, Building Systems from Scratch.
This is the top floor of our roadmap, designed for aspiring AI engineers who want to build these systems, not just browse the front end. Remember this: the most powerful AI systems combine all three: RAG, MCP, and AI agents. An advanced engineering curriculum is going to teach you exactly how to weave those layers together into a production-ready system. To get there, you need the heavy hitters. You've got Stanford's CS336 language modeling from scratch. Then there's Andrej Karpathy's legendary Neural Networks Zero to Hero series. You can take a 3-hour deep dive into LLM's masterclass. And you absolutely have to check out 3 Blue 1 Brown's incredible visual breakdowns of the math and AI concepts behind all this.
Let's move to ML and see how this builds across GitHub repositories. For a beginner, there's a 12-week intro course called ML for Beginners. Step up to intermediate, and you're looking at Build a Large Language Model from Scratch, which focuses on training and fine-tuning. Advanced gets you into Gen AI agents with hands-on code. And for production, you'll want to study Designing Machine Learning Systems so you understand system design and scaling. Listen, I want to deliver a quick reality check straight from the experts. The AI wave isn't coming, it is already here. What counted as cutting-edge, advanced knowledge just 2 years ago is rapidly becoming basic digital literacy today. The ground is shifting fast.
And that brings us to this incredibly profound thought. The people who win in AI aren't the ones who know the most, they're the ones who start early. Whether you're a student looking for a head start, a professional upskilling, or a leader trying to future-proof your team, starting today is your absolute ultimate competitive advantage.
So, I'm going to leave you with this final challenge. Which course will you start today? I challenge you to pick just one thing we discussed and give it 30 focused minutes today. Take that very first empowering step on your free AI journey, and you might just be amazed at where it takes you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy building.